Hi dear students, I am Neha, Assistant Professor, BCA Cloud Technology and Information Security Management, St. Teresa's College. So we'll start with our next topic, types of virus. This slide will give you some insights of symptoms of computer viruses and worms and also types of viruses. So let's begin with symptoms. So we all know doctors can usually diagnose a virus based on symptoms exhibited by the body. So the IT professional can do the same with computers. So typical signs of computer virus or worm infections include unexpected pop-up windows, constant browser pop-ups, unidentifiable program, increased network activity, unexpected on-screen ads are typical sign of a virus infection on your computer or your mobile phones, and slow startup and slow performance of your computer or mobile phone, and suspicious hard drive activity, lack of storage space, missing files, crashes and error messages, flickering. So there are many symptoms are there. That symptoms are mainly depends on that particular virus or worm. How do we catch computer virus? When you know how virus infect computers, you can take better preventive measures and identify a virus before it ranges out of control. So here I am illustrate how you can recognize some common computer viruses. So these are the types of viruses. First one is resident virus, direct action virus. Direct action virus is also known as non-resident virus, override virus, boot sector virus, macro virus, directory virus, file infectors, companion virus, polymorphic virus. There are many viruses are available. That means many of the hackers using these viruses depends on their needs. So let's begin with our first virus, resident virus. Resident virus is residing in a computer memory. Here in this figure, if a normal file is infected by a resident virus, the resulting file will be an infected file. This virus set up a shop in your RAM and interfere with your system operations. They are so clever that they can even attach themselves to your antivirus software files. Some of the examples are Randex, CMJ, etc. This resident virus is very dangerous. So next one is direct action virus. It is also known as non-resident virus. This virus targets a specific file types, most commonly executable files, by replacing and infecting files. Due to its targeted nature, this virus type is one of the easier one to detect and remove. So one of the example of direct action virus is Vienna virus. When an infected file is run, Vienna will search for an uninfected file and infect it. So the creator of the Vienna virus has never been revealed. Some sources say that the virus was created by Vienna high school student as an experiment. So there are many variants are available. Vienna Konica, also known as Father Christmas, is 1080-81 bytes long and possibly comes from Poland. Vienna Gimpel, this variant likely comes from Czechoslovakia. Then Iraqi warrior, then Vienna Lisbon. This Lisbon variant was discovered in Portugal. So there are many variants are available. So next is overwrite virus. In general, overwrite is a term used to describe when a new information replaces old information or data. For example, in a text editor or Word, if a text was highlighted or selected, then you press A on the keyboard, all highlighted text would be replaced with the letter A. So here, an overwrite virus is a computer virus that overwrites a file with its own code. The only way to clean this virus from infected file is to delete the file completely. So here in this figure, if a file is infected by this virus, the program code will be changed to virus code. So some of the examples of this virus include away, trj.reboot, trivial.88.d, etc. So next is boot sector virus. This virus affects the boot sector of a floppy or hard disk. This virus hides out in a file on a USB drive or email attachment. So the best way to avoid boot viruses is to ensure that floppy disks are write protected. So some of the examples of boot viruses include polyboot.b, anti-exe, form, disk killer, Michelangelo and stone virus. Next is macrovirus. A Mac or macrovirus is a computer virus that spreads to another computers through software programs that utilize macros. Macro stands for macro instructions. It is a program pattern. So here, for example, Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel are two popular and widely used programs that are capable of executing macros. So, macrovirus written for these programs that can spread by infecting other related documents each time the document is opened. Because these files are commonly used and sent through email, a computer network can be quickly infected by these viruses. So, the first macrovirus was named Concept, that was accidentally released on the Microsoft compatibility test and released by Microsoft, discovered in July 1995. Concept was spread through emails having Microsoft Word document attached to them. It infected Microsoft Word 6.0 and Microsoft Word 95 documents when they were saved using the Save As option. So luckily, Concept did not pose any danger and only displayed a message on the computer screen. So next is directory virus. As name indicates, a directory virus, also called cluster virus or file system virus. It functions by infecting the directory of our computer system. So directory means it is an organized unit or container mainly used to organize our folders and files. So coming to the virus, a directory virus change the part that indicates the location of a file. So once a file is infected by this virus, it is impossible to locate the original files. So this virus is very fast infector and resident virus type. So next is file infectors. This is also a type of computer virus that inserts its malicious code into an executable file on a system. So when the infected file is opened or used, the virus may overwrite the file and cause permanent damage. So this type of virus targets a large range of operating systems including Macintosh, Unix, DOS and Windows. So next is companion virus. Companion virus can be considered as file infected virus like resident or direct action types. They are known as companion virus because once they get into the system, they accompany the other files too. So in other words, in order to carry out their infection routines, companion virus can wait in memory unit a program is run or act immediately by making copies of themselves. So some of the examples of companion virus are Stater, Asimov.1539 and Terax.1069. So the last one is polymorphic virus. Polymorphic virus encrypt or encode themselves in different way every time they infect a system. So encryption means a plain text is converted into ciphertext, then it is called encryption. This makes it impossible for antiviruses to find them using string or signature searches because the working of an antivirus is based on the existing virus signature and also enables them to create a large number of copies. So some of the examples include Elkern, Marburg, Sattenberg, etc. So these are some of the types of virus. Thank you.